I am so confident about Litecoin. And I made a video about it. I shared that video. It's pinned on my profile, so I'd recommend watching that video. That's all I've got to say for now, but there's a lot more I could say. So, oh my goodness, there's already 200 people in here. That's insane. Okay, well, this is how we're doing it. All right, sorry. Is my guy from Ohio? I'm from the Midwest. My wife went to Ohio State. Is Cat Girl about to pump? I'm not paying attention to Cat Girl at all. What's up, Trump rules? First day of November, Bitcoin will explode. I see that you're mocking me. Okay, sorry that I got one thing wrong. Like I've pretty much got everything right in the last 3 months, and you're gonna mock me about that one thing. Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry to break your heart. Just wait. So yeah, Shib is up. I see that. I'm on the train with you, brother. Gotta ignore the hate. Yeah. Thank you. Let's see. Hello, everybody on YouTube. I was talking about Bitcoin. All right, I'm blocking you. Goodbye. I'm not going to deal with that right now. I, I was talking about Bitcoin. I was talking about Bitcoin. So it's 50 to 60K Litecoin possible in the halvening. Yeah, I see that rep. Or sorry, Litecoin. Did I say Litecoin? I meant Ethereum. It's possible, yeah. All right, guys, I'm live on YouTube. I already know it's just going to be way too hot on TikTok. So thoughts on XRP, $8 to $10. Hello, everybody on TikTok. Do you think Crow will survive the bull market? The bear market, you mean? Yes, yes. Hello, everybody. Aped into Litecoin at 208. It sucks. Trust me. Litecoin's going to kill it. So thoughts on Mana and Engine, very bullish. I think now's a good time to get into Mana. I haven't looked at, I think Engine too. So have an extra 2K. Any suggestions? Mana, Telcoin, check spell. I haven't checked, I can't check spell right now. Anything on Gala? No, I don't know what that is. XYO 20 cents VeChain. I might have to upgrade my VeChain prediction to more like $1. So thank you, Amidal. Where would you put? So Crow down prediction, the bear market, maybe 10 cents, maybe 15. It depends on how high it goes. Where would you put $700? Telcoin, Litecoin. Thank you. Let's see. Vet and Crow popping in my portfolio. Yeah, Vet and Crow. Finally, Vet and Crow are moving. So thoughts on Star Atlas. It's beautiful. It's sleek, but I don't have any price predictions or anything like that. Loop Ring. I don't know anything about Loop Ring. Is Doge dead? I would not buy Doge right now. Hello, Murtaza. It's not that it's dead. It's not that I think it's dead. I'm just playing the odds. I think Doge out of the top 20 cryptos is the least. Like if there's one crypto in the top 20 that I think won't break its all-time high, it would be Doge. And I'd give it about a 50-50 chance that it'll break its all-time high. 30K of Matic or one Bitcoin through this bull run, what would you pick? Probably 30K Matic. Getting ready to buy more AMP on this dip. Yep. Opinion on LCX, don't know enough. Sand dumped, I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. So Astruval, when I'm done live on TikTok, I'll stay on YouTube and I'll talk about that cryptocurrency. I don't want to mention meme coins on TikTok because I just don't want to get banned again. My live stream got banned yesterday. Litecoin to 1K in December. I think more like January. I only own the Crow I earned from my Crow card. Should I just sell all around January? Yeah, Fry, I think so. Meta Hero, I haven't looked into Meta Hero today. It looks like it's, it didn't go up as much as other cryptos, other metaverse cryptos. So we'll see. XRP to 3 digits, maybe one day far into the future, but not anytime soon. But AI multiverse, okay. Decentraland, I think now's a good time to buy into Decentraland. I told people to wait before. So I've seen predictions of a 22K ETH. What do you think? That's within the realm of possibility. I don't think it's going to happen, though. So QTN, don't know enough. Time staking. I've seen those really super high interest Crypto's staking, if it sounds too good to be true, I think it would be. At some point, there's no way that that's going to continue. It's not possible. But, strike while the iron's hot, sure. I've seen predictions. All right, let's see. When you say cash pours because you hold your money in crypto rather than the bank, that's exactly right, Andrea. Yep. So, oh man, I'm so far behind. Hello, hopefully I'm having a good day. Some people are upset with me, but I've been your go-to guy for quite a while, so it is what it is. Quant ran out of paid hype. Okay, I think it's gonna be fine. Guys, again, on TikTok, I'm not talking meme coins right now because I don't want to get banned. I got banned yesterday. So when I'm done with my TikTok live stream, I'll stay live on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll gladly talk about all the meme coins. I'll make all your wildest dreams come true. So Star Atlas Arcade Token, yeah, I answered that. I don't know anything about Arcade Token, but Multiverse AI, I don't know anything about that. Star Atlas looks pretty good. So Mana at 255 is right now. I think that's a good buying price. So what to buy during the bear run? Solana, Quant, and even some meme coins, honestly. Thoughts on Xcur? That seems like at least a 10x to me. Cardia, don't know enough. Predictions on Haka. I think Haka is going to 10 or 20x, maybe even higher than that. So Shiba's about to skyrocket. I am very impressed with Shiba right now. I'm surprised by Shiba. The fact that it's at 0.000062, I thought it might have been game over with that one whale. So thoughts on Eng? Eng's going to pump. Can VET hit its all-time high? Yeah, I think it's going to at least double its all-time high. Yeah, Andrea, I'll talk about that in like 30 minutes about that one cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is like a crab walking in and out of holes, sure. Litecoin prediction, $1,500. Don't answer or tell people what to buy. If you don't want to get banned, that's financial advice. Guys, this is not financial. That was the first live stream that I ever got banned. No, I'm going to do what I do. So Jasmine back to $4.99. I haven't followed Jasmine's price, but I think it's a good one to buy. So Telcoin price prediction, 10, 20 cents, something like that. Shiba Inu prediction. I'm done predicting Shiba Inu. I thought that there was going to be some trouble with that whale. And again, for those of you on TikTok, you've got to be following me on TikTok. My Bitcoin analysis, I dare you to find somebody since July, who's been more reliable. So have you heard of Kabusu? No. Look at the ADA chart in the weekly. It looks prime for takeoff. Yes. Also, the ADA Bitcoin chart just broke a RSI trend line that acted as resistance. Excellent. Okay. Again, meme coins, that one meme coin I talked about on my YouTube channel, I'm not talking about on TikTok right now. I don't want to get banned again. So thank you for your kind words. I saw some kind words there. Good alts to invest in: Litecoin, Telcoin. I noticed when mana goes down, SHIB goes up, and vice versa. That might just be a coincidence. Andrea, should I sell my Tesla stock and put it on altcoins? I'm up $600. Man, it's really hard with Tesla. Tesla seems like a freight train right now. So if I were in your position, yeah, I think so. I've looked at Audius a little bit, Richard. I don't have any thoughts on it as far as price predictions. Looks good though. Hedera Hashgraph, I think HBAR is going to $2. Litecoin or VXV? I'd say Litecoin for short term, VXV long term. Yeah, Ethereum 100K in 2025. How would that work because of ETH 2.0? I think it would have to be with ETH 2.0. I don't see ETH hitting 100K in 2025 if ETH 2.0 hasn't launched by then. So is Shiba dead? It doesn't seem like it. 550 people in the chat. Yep, people getting into the market again like April earlier this year. I could see there being 2,000 people in the TikTok live stream at the very peak. So Luis, again, I'm not talking about that cryptocurrency until after. I will talk about it on YouTube after the TikTok live stream is over. Elongate, another meme coin. I'm not going to talk about meme coins right now. Helium prediction. Man, I don't know, but bullish. So yeah, leverage is so high. How many days until the big dump do you think? I don't know. I mean, we're at some point, we're going to have to go up despite leverage. And there's nothing that the market makers are going to be able to do about that. Harmony prediction, I don't know. Bullish though. Luna prediction $100. Bitcoin kind of been stagnant this month. What's your price target? My price target is still the same. I'm saying 100K this month. So will Safe Moon list on Binance? I have no idea. Can you talk more about Telcoin prediction? 10, 20 cents. That's all I'll say for now, just because the chat is so hopping here. Solana to $1,000, maybe that seems a little high. So yeah, price prediction on Haka 10 to $20, 10 to 20 cents. I mean 10 to 20x, 10 to 20x. Why are people mad? Because I made a video about a meme coin yesterday on YouTube, and then it went down overnight, and I am super bullish about that meme coin still, but I'll talk about that later. When should I sell Litecoin? When you see it, very often, very often. But as you see it pump, just take profits, because you need to sell all of it by the end, in my opinion. Solana target, I think like 600. What's up, Clarence? Aesthetic, I'm going to answer your question. Yes. Drop Doge. I'm not dropping my Doge. I'm holding on to it. It just depends. If you're 100% in Doge, then I would drop some of it for sure. So ADA is about to rocket. Yeah. LRC, again, don't know enough about that. When will we see the pump? Hopefully next week. So you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if it was like Sunday or Monday, but you never know. You never know. Nunez, I am still holding on to my Shiba. Yeah. Cause I sold half of it already. So top 5 alts for the 2021 bull run. Litecoin, I'm not giving 5. Litecoin, Telcoin, Zilliqa, maybe Haka. How about that? $8 to $3 end of November? I think so, yeah. How low do you think the price of ETH will drop after the run is over, like 2,500? Fry, I see your comment about Pablo. Okay. Drop Doge and SHIB. Again, percentage of your portfolio. I own Doge, I own SHIB. Percentage of your portfolio. That's the big thing. Fractal predictions, I could see that 10x. Mana, I talked a bunch about Mana. I'm not holding Cadena. I might kick myself about not holding Cadena. That seems like a legit project. So the little that I know, I'm still learning a lot. So yeah, I saw that comment. If you don't know what you're doing, buy Bitcoin. I agree with that. Just got a PPP loan forgiven and got extra money. What should I buy? Oh man, Lucci, I mean, I know you've been around a lot. I think you know my answers. So I won't say anything new for now. How about Cadena? Amir, thank you. Do you think this bear market will be different? No. Peroto Sanchez, watch my most recent YouTube video. I talk about Solana as a case study. This is very important for all of you to hear. I am convinced that we're going to have a bear market, and it's going to be almost as brutal as last time. And if you haven't looked at it yet, Mac and Cheesy on TikTok, a friend of mine, look at my follower list. Mac and Cheesy posted a video of a discussion about these Solana whales, Chamath being one of them, and how they're all going to dump their Solana at the end. And so don't be greedy with Solana. Sell all of your Solana. Sell it early so that you're not a bag holder. Cadena going to 50x? I don't know about that, but you never know. So Amidal, no. The answer to your question is no. I was a bit upset about that coin this morning, but I did it for sport. It will stay away. 70% moves a day is too much for me. Yeah, Tom's. See, I mean, yeah, there's people who are upset about it, and I understand, but I'm telling you, I might buy more of that cryptocurrency that I'm not naming. I'm probably gonna triple down, honestly. So, but that's not. Do not do what I do. So do not, please don't do what I do. So. Oh man, am I bullish on VET? Yes. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Should I buy VXV right now at 826? I think that'll be fine. Yeah, my predictions haven't changed for VXV. So Trios, I know that Trios is pumping. Trios, I've been looking at some charts that point to the possibility that that currency in particular is going to spike even higher very soon. So. Bullish on VET, yeah. Top 5 alts for the 2021 bull run. Pastor James, Litecoin, Telcoin. There's the biggest gainer is going to be these random small cap coins. So I mean, I'll give you three top 100s: Litecoin, Telcoin, and Zilliqa. Thoughts on Crow pumping? Finally, I've been holding Crow for such a long time. Yeah, I'm talking about Fayaz. That's what I'm talking about. I've been holding Crow, and I've been down on Crow for such a long time, and finally I'm up. Finally, it could go even higher in the next few days. So, but I don't chase green candles. Market feels toppy. Alts running memes. LOL. Just wait till Bitcoin crosses its all-time high. This isn't mania. So, wait for the mania to come. What does TikTok have against meme coins? I understand TikTok's complaints about meme coins. People got paid to shill these random garbage coins. Like I got offered $8,000 once to promote a coin, and I said no. And so I'm telling you, like, you know, if for me to talk about devote a video to a meme coin like I did yesterday, I have a lot of confidence in that coin, and I still do. So, John Boy, I think within the next week. Have your time scales changed? No. Should I sell my Shiba? Again, the answer is how much of it is your portfolio? My Shiba is it's a fraction of a percent of my portfolio. I'll hold on to it until the peak, until the end. So, hey Alex, will you still go live during the bear market? I will, yes. Have your time scales changed? They have not. AVAX or Luna, I would say AVAX for short term. When will Solana hit $4,000? November. Yeah, you can make gains on meme coins, but you don't. You know the risks. So no, I wasn't gonna say November of 2025, but sometime in 2025. ZIL 10x maybe. I haven't checked 10x. I saw a question about if Bitcoin breaks under 60K, do I see 53K? And the answer is I do not. No. I think if Bitcoin were to break below 60K, whatever happened, the movement would be very quick, and then it would jump right back up. Would you rather hold more AMP or XLM? Right now, AMP. You talked about a correction in November. How will we have time to correct and go to 100K? Maybe it's not going to happen, Jude, or maybe we will go up to like 75K or 80K and then have a correction there and then shoot up to 100K. You never know. So. Vet going over 50 cents. It's possible, yeah. What's up, Everardo? Did he just start this live? I've been live for about 20 minutes. I only hold, oh man, I'm so far behind it. AVAX, Bitcoin, ETH, AdaLink, Solana, XRP, Matic, and EOS. I think that's great, AZ. So XRP, $8 to $10. Should I keep XRP? It depends. So the percentage of my portfolio is small enough that I'm comfortable holding on to my XRP. And even after this bull run is over, if the SEC suit is done, so it is not done by the end of the bull run. So big fan of yours. Ignore the hate. Thank you. Next, Drew said, do you think the small gems on Coinbase will do well? I think so. I could see a lot of them 10xing at least. Telcoin prediction, 10 or 20 cents. Crypto is risky. You don't get paid to give us advice. Being mad at you is ridiculous. Thank you. Prediction on Eng. I don't have one, but bullish. You're welcome. Aravinda. Yeah, Solana will rise and dump like ETH in 2017. That's exactly right. Yep. What's early for Solana? Sell at 400. That's a good question. I might sell my Solana at 400 if it gets up there, which I think it will. I just don't want Chamath to win. I don't want those Solana whales to win. I don't want them to beat me to the punch and turn me into a bag holder. So yeah, I might sell. Maybe it just depends on when will Solana hit $400? I mean, I think maybe November. If Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, these altcoins are going to pump like crazy. So maybe then, yeah, Solana would hit it in November. I don't think I'd sell it in November no matter what. So what price would you take profit on ADA? I think that's going to peak pretty early, like around the same time. Poodle Poppy, thank you. I saw that. Yeah, I sold my SHIB at the very top. I sold a third of it at least. Thoughts on Bitcoin Cash and EOS? I don't like Bitcoin Cash. I think EOS will go to its all-time high, but not Bitcoin Cash. But yeah, I would take some profit on Solana pretty early. I think it's going to peak in December. Holding 10 Litecoin, should I hold or maybe convert into two into some altcoins? Yeah, convert 2 into some altcoins. That'll be fine. You're welcome, Irene. I bought some of that meme coin, but only invested money I could afford to lose. Okay, good. Yeah. Do you think Quant can go to $1,000? I think it can, yes. Yeah, a lot of people were panic buying SHIB when it got up to 0.000088, and I was panic selling. So, and again, for those of you on TikTok, you've got to be following me on TikTok. And, you know, I know some of you, I've been saying that Bitcoin would have a great month in November. And so some of you are questioning, maybe questioning that, but we're 5 days into the month. I think November is going to be a great month still. So FTM, $10 to $15. What are these random predictions coming from? Where are they coming from? I do this. I go live every day. I spend my entire day researching cryptocurrencies. I start with Bitcoin and then look at the fundamentals of the project. Look at how much they've already pumped. For me to have to try to defend the predictions, I'm not going to. So let's see about that coin. It's not displaying on Trust Wallet. Have you heard about this before? You have to add it manually, and I can't take the time to explain that. So I've got 20K in the market. Should I stop here to make sure I can put in as much of the bear? It depends on what makes you feel comfortable, Amir. But you might be able to turn that 20K into 100K. So thank you, Kalo. INXT don't know enough. Kabosu don't know enough. Trieste 500. I don't know where Trieste is right now. Yeah, Jorans, that coin is down bad. I'm still, I might be buying more of it. Just so you know. And I'm bummed. I'm bummed that it happened like the day after I made that video, but like, because I know that a lot of you were not going to be happy about that, obviously, but I'm buying more. So I just don't want to talk about it. I can't talk about it while I'm live on TikTok. So with 53K in Bitcoin and 12K in ETH and 10K in various others, should I pull some from Bitcoin and move to something like Shiba? Jimmy, not Shiba. That whale is freaking me out. Can you do a video on how to buy that coin? Johnny, no, there's videos already on there. If you search that coin, then you'll be able to find a video on it. So Cathal, what coin am I talking about? I made a video about it yesterday. Look on my YouTube channel. Jimmy, I'm never going to suggest anyone sell Bitcoin to buy anything else. That's just not me. Other people would recommend that. And if I were only concerned about short term, like I would say, yeah, that's probably not, you're probably going to do fine. So can anyone, all right, let's see how much, yeah, fan, not yet. Thoughts on the Fed's starting to taper and effects on the market? Yeah, AZ, I don't have an X-curve video, no. So say Christmas if you're going to talk about that coin. All right, I'll talk about Christmas. There we go. Fed starting to taper. So there was an announcement the other day and there was a dump and then it got bought up really quickly. So I'm not worried about it at all. Could you see 700, 800 Litecoin for a price target be safe to sell in January since your prediction is 1,500? Adam, I mean, yeah, just take profits. If you want to sell at 700, 800, fine. You know, that's a 4X from here. I'm not selling at $700 or $800, but is 2% of my portfolio good for meme coins? I hold 10 meme coins. 2%, sure, yeah. If you had to buy one altcoin now, what would it be? Litecoin, Telcoin, something like that. Just double the bags on that coin. Looks like a double bottom in play. Excellent. Thoughts on blockchain backers predictions? I talked about that in my Monday video, Raiden X. I strongly disagree with him. He's married to fibs, and his fibs are not the same fibs as other people's fibs. So, yeah, style with substance. Hey, I'm not going to recommend that you do anything with Christmas. Personally, I'm buying more. So, Cadena price prediction. Sorry, I don't have one, but very bullish. Thoughts about recent crow pump. Yeah, Jorns, I talked about that already. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. Those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I'm able to answer any questions on YouTube, but not on TikTok, not all of them at least. Jasmy, I don't know enough about Jasmy. What is my finance background? I was an econ major in college. I did a deep dive. Every job that I've had has had to deal with money, except for now I'm self-employed. My business that I'm, semi-retired from. Mana price prediction, $10 to $15. Do you think Facebook, Tesla, or Amazon will create their own crypto? Richard, if they're going to be allowed to, I would think so very much. Yeah. Amazing. Just check YouTube for that coin you can't mention. I felt it's garbage season marketing. Okay. You're entitled to that opinion, I suppose. Is the liquid supply of Bitcoin still going up? Yes. How much money overall is your portfolio? Man, it'll be over $1 million soon. Not yet. I mean, soon is in a couple months. So would you start to look into meme coins and say what it's worth buying in the future? Jay, no. I'm done with meme coins. Like, I'm done talking. I am done making videos about meme coins. How about I say that? I'm done making videos about meme coins. I made one video about a meme coin. It didn't go well. Some people are not happy with me, and fine, I understand, but it's like, if you've been following me since July and you did, all right, I understand, but you died. If you followed me since July, and you did what I encouraged you to do, I think you'd be doing pretty well right now. So 15K in Telcoin, thoughts. That's great. It just depends. What else do you have? I wouldn't be Hooper. I agree with you about that Christmas coin. If you were just in Telcoin, I'd be nervous about it. If that would be the case with any cryptocurrency, except for Bitcoin or Ethereum. Am I bullish on AVAX? Yes, I am. Thoughts on Alchemy? I don't know enough about Alchemy. Should I dump my... Okay, wait, oops. Sorry, I got a message. Mark, thank you. Theta prediction, $50. So whatever I was talking about, I'm going to be done talking about that thing. So what do you start? Let's see, how much, let's see. Should I dump my AMP? No. The faster the rise, the faster the drop? Yes. Is it that coin? Yes or no? Yes. Say us when you will sell that coin. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Link to $300. I don't think so. I think more like $100. Are you surprised Bitcoin hasn't seen much action so far this month? I'm a little surprised. I mean, we're 5 days in. I'm not worried about it. Surprised, yes. Worried, no. And again, I know that some of you are a little impatient with Bitcoin, but we're matching up with 2013. The exact same thing happened in 2013. Look at the charts. So. All right, I'm going to end my live stream on TikTok, and I am going to stay live on YouTube. I'm going to catch up to all the questions on YouTube. Hop on over to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and yeah, I'll be able to answer everything there, but otherwise, I'm going to be done on TikTok. Oh man, how about I move my microphone closer so that those of you on YouTube can hear me? Anyway, all right, done on TikTok. Don't have YouTube's on the phone. Sorry, I'm done on TikTok. Okay. Give me 1 second. All right. So let's talk Santa Coin. I'm still getting tons of passive income. I'm going to pull up a chart here, and then I'll answer your questions. I don't want you to do what I'm doing, what I'm going to do. Like I can afford to lose more money on this, but this is what happens with meme coins. Okay, the initial pump happens, people make 20x, they sell their 20x. As soon as the first person pulls the trigger, it's like it's over, and then we see a period of consolidation, and then it shoots higher. Let me pull up the SafeMoon chart so you can see what I'm talking about, and I'll pull up the Safe Mars chart so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So Safe Moon, and then I'll answer every question that you want to ask about cryptocurrencies. I mean, it's hard to see here, but it got up to this point, 0, et cetera, 4 something, and then dumped, and then went sideways for a little bit, and then it went up to even higher, 0.000, et cetera, 15. I remember that day, and then it dumped, and it went down more than 50%. And then it, went sideways for a bit, and then it went up like crazy. It had like 3 waves. And there's no way in my mind that this is it for Santa Coin. I'm just given this Santa Coin has SafeMoon levels of hype right now. Or at least it did. And if not quite SafeMoon levels of hype, maybe a level a little bit below SafeMoon. And so here's what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to spend several days, maybe 3-5 days around this area. And then it'll slowly climb, and then it'll quickly climb. And when I put $10,000 more into this, that $10,000 is going to turn into $100,000. And I'll still get that passive income, the BUSD. But again, I don't want you to do what I'm doing. I don't want you to do this. So don't do it. Please don't do it. Because then I'll feel bad if I'm wrong. Okay. Let me plow through the questions here. Yes, Nissan, I will tell you when I sell my Santa. Are you surprised? All right, answered that. Can you please tell us what that coin is? Santa Coin. And he said he won't mention Santa. Yes, he isn't surprised. We're only 5 days. Have patience. Oh man, I hate this chat sometimes. I'm going through every question. I don't care. Wow, I'm so far behind. All right, how to know which alts are going to peak sooner versus in January? You can't tell. I think the ones that have had their biggest pumps already will peak, like Luna, Cardano, and Solana. So Santa Coin, yeah, Bitcoin is not a sell for meme coins because Bitcoin's a long-term hold. Exactly, yep. When Silk Road shut down. Okay, do you think Mana is done or still has room to go up? I think it has a lot of room to go up soon. AMP or Atom? AMP for short term. Should you hold Bitcoin if you only own 3% of one? Yes. Hold it forever. Theta, $50. Thank you, Susie. Should I hold more Bitcoin or alts large cap? Right now, I'd be fine with alts, but over the long run, I think it should be Bitcoin and Ethereum. So any word on Jasmine? I'm sorry, I don't know enough. Can you talk about something you would like to talk about? I'm just going to talk about, I like to talk about crypto. So you, Santa, going to pay up till Christmas? Sure. Not sure what you're asking, Big Papa. Let's buy more when it drops. AMP thoughts, I think it's going to 50 cents. Crow, what's your thoughts? Very excited about it. It could go up more, but don't chase a green candle. That's my number one rule. Thoughts on Haka? I 10x at least. Illuvium in the Guild of Guardians, overall the earn crypto growing scene. The crypto earning growing scene, yes, I'm bullish on it. I don't own any of those cryptos. I don't play video games. So will SHIB pump continue? Jeffrey, this is shocking to me that SHIB is doing so well today. So I can't give an answer for that. It's just, what if that whale decides to move around more crypto? Is everyone going to panic? So meme coin viewers going to go, okay, getting mocked for Litecoin. Hey, just you will get the last laugh. I hold 40K in Bitcoin. Should I sell 50% of it to buy alts, large cap coins? Tarek, my answer is never going to be yes. Lots of other people, here's what I'll say. Lots of other people would say yes to that. I cannot, I am committed personally to not saying yes to that. So Tariq, I'm well. Santa Coin's going to blow. Very volatile. Watch it how it flashes back up, then back down, even higher. I've seen this before too. Yeah, same deal. Crow, I need to revise my prediction. Crow's going higher than 50 cents. Thoughts on Crow and Catgirl. Catgirl, I have not checked Catgirl. So Catgirl, has it peaked already? You know, I don't know. The thing about Catgirl is that it's gone up. You know, it peaked at 20,000% higher than before. In the last month, it grew 20,000%. Will it have another wave in it? I'd say 50-50. I'm just not sure. So, let's see. AZ, meme coins are trash. I saw you commenting that on Twitter. So, I mean, it's all good. All right, Smokes on Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, Mana, Link, ADA, and SHIB are what I'm in on. Decent list. I think that's fine, yeah. So, Alex, is it wise buying Solana now? Yes, yeah. Yeah, I don't know enough about Jasmine. Should I put 2K in Litecoin? Again, it's one of those things. Can you afford to lose any? Not that. It's like, how much of your portfolio is 2K? If it's 100% of your portfolio, I'd say no. Spread it out a little more. If it's 2% of your portfolio, yes. So thoughts on AM 50 cents. Thoughts on Justin Sun and Tron. I can't stand Justin Sun. He's a snake oil salesman. Tron will go up. And Justin Sun will take profits, and there'll be lots of bag holders, but maybe you won't be one of them if you buy Tron. It's fine. Go ahead. How many different cryptos should I have with 5K? 3 or 4, something like that. ETH December 1st prediction, like 6,000. Any thoughts on GRT? No. My friend CVO Crypto thinks it could go to $20 to $25. That's a 20x from here. So I kind of follow his lead, but he is more bullish than I am in general. So maybe I should just say $10. So, all right. Honest Open Permaculture was watching on TikTok. Yeah, answered about Crow, answered about Jasmine, answered Tariq, your question. Catgirl, man. All right. You guys asked a lot of questions multiple times. That's okay. Any EGLD prediction by the end of the month? No. But I'm in on EGLD. That's a recent purchase for me, and I am bullish in general. So thoughts on the XRP case? I don't think it's going to end before this bull run is over, but I do think XRP will rise with the rest of the market. ETH prediction 15,000. Bagheer, Santa Coin, when will you be releasing your course? I am halfway through with the course, maybe another week or two. Algo and Samo, I don't know anything about Samo. Algo to $7. What's a good first investment in crypto, Bitcoin, or Ethereum? Telcoin price targets 10 to 20 cents. Any thoughts on gaming and NFT cryptos? Would you stick with Mana or go for lower cap ones? I'd be fine going for lower cap ones. I do like Mana a lot. So there was a tweet that I liked. Check this out. Give me a second. I'm going to answer another question, then I'll get back to this tweet that I liked. Do you think Glitch and LSS are long-term holds? No, there's very few cryptos that I think are long-term holds. Glitch and LSS aren't anywhere near there. 5,800 followers. Thank you, everybody. So where's that one? Here we go. Check that out real quick. Here's the top 15 blockchain games by active users in October. I think that's a good list to look at. So you a one-man podcast. Thank you. Just sold 10K of Tesla stock and bought that. Oh my goodness, Jonathan. That's crazy. How does your BUSD, how does it something? Am I making good BUSD on Santa? I've made 10% of my investment in 3 days. So, if the volume can stay even a little bit where it is right now, I will make my money back in Santa in BUSD before this bull run is over. That's another aspect of it that I don't think is addressed enough by the in the 5 days of its existence. Is Cardano still a buy? I would say yes. I think it's going to $8 this cycle. Hello, Crypto Moonbags. Happy Friday. 4,400. What? No, there weren't that many viewers on TikToks. Sell my Solana and buy Quant because same price. If you don't own any Quant, why don't sell some Solana and buy some Quant? So what a hot right now. Okay. Already bought the dip 3 times. I feel no regrets. Man, some of you are crazy. How do I buy Santa Coin? You can buy it on Pancake Swap. People who are mad are just salty and short term. Thank you. If I were to jump on a coin outside Bitcoin, Doge, Shiba, what is/will be the one to go to? Again, I'm gonna say Litecoin or Telcoin. How could I buy Trust Wallet? Trust Wallet, you can access Pancake Swap through Trust Wallet. Closing TikTok is like putting the kids to sleep. Your comment, not mine. Oh gosh, this chat. Not the chat. The way it's set up. Sometimes it automatically takes me down to the bottom of the chat, and so I have to scroll up and find where I left off. And I'm so far behind. I'm sorry about that. So, oh man. People took profits. It went up 50x. Yes, yes. Dude, I can't believe how far behind I am. I'm sorry. I have to just go back down to the bottom of the chat. So I know several of you already commented or already like spammed it a couple times. So thoughts on block, at least a 10x. What about HBAR and SafeMoon? HBAR to $2. SafeMoon, I think it's going to go at least back to its all-time high. Maybe make a doc with your most asked questions and price predictions so you don't have to repeat the same answers. Where would I put it? A lot of people are asking on their phones. Samo is meme coin of Solana. I've never heard of it. Fractal prediction, I would say that's another 10x there. Is Quant VXV and Litecoin good picks for a 5K portfolio? I think those are very good picks, yes. Have you seen Spell Token? I've not seen Spell Token at all. Yeah. Is it too late to get into Santa? I'm buying more. That's all I'll say. 100x for Fractal. There's some people who say it could 100x. I don't know. I don't think so. How do you get your BUSD from Santa? It drops automatically into your wallet. It's BUSD BEP20, BEP20. So do you own any Link? If when it goes past 100, time to sell. It just depends on the timing of that. Like if we're to go to $100 like early December, I'd say no. It could probably go higher. It just depends. But yeah, if it were to go to $100, I'd probably sell a decent amount. What's your cake price prediction? $100. Yeah, the BUSD from Santa. Not sure if I asked this before. Staking ADA worth it? I don't stake my ADA, but I do get some rewards on Voyager for it. So I don't know about how long the lockup period is. That's the biggest question, because I would not hold ADA throughout the bear market. I call number one on list. Is the course going to be good for Coinbase? There will be plenty of cryptos that you can buy on Coinbase in the course. Still positive about 200K Bitcoin. I believe we are hitting 200K. What do you think about Hoj? I have not looked at Hoj in about 6 months. Thoughts on VRA? It used to be a 10x for me, and then it pumped, and so now it's more like a 5x. So Hoj Finance, let's take a look at Hoj. It's another meme coin. I know it did very well earlier in the year. So Trios, please. Trios, I think, is going to explode. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I've never heard people pronounce it right. Oh, wow, Hoj. All right, I would stay away for the short term for Hoj. It seems like it has a little bit more downward momentum to go. So just to check, is there a reason for concern with many coins dumping today, this week? Even CVO Crypto said he was a little surprised. I mean, really have coins dumped? Because Ethereum is up, Solana's up, DOT it crossed its all-time high this month, BNB is scorching, Crow is on fire, SHIB, if you exclude the last few days, SHIB is on fire, VeChain is pumping. I don't see it. I don't see what you're talking about. The only thing is that Bitcoin is flat. That is surprising to me. I'm not concerned. Look at not the bear market, the 2013 chart, which I'm about to pull up here. Here we go. This is, oh man, sorry, that's about as far as I can zoom in. This is late October, early November of 2013. And that's what we're facing right now. That's exactly the same thing. So Samo is, all right, talked about that. If Bitcoin goes down anymore for the rest of next week, it's matching up perfectly with the 2017 bull run. Hey, 2017, okay. Yeah. How high do you think DOT will go this bull cycle? $200. Coins are holding, picking up in the bear market. Lots of them, but Solana and Quant are going to be two big buys. And then, believe it or not, Doge and Shiba Inu are going to also be two big buys. So... man, all right, how many different cryptos should I have with 5K? 3 to 4. Just do Control F on the page and search for the last thing you talked about. Oh man, Levi, I should have done that. Yeah, good point. For alts, would you just limit orders like 3 to 4x and hope they hit rather than trying to time the peak? I would not do limit orders because maybe they'll go even higher than that. You know, Dogelon, how many X's? I have not looked at Dogelon one time, so I don't know. I'm still upset. I was halfway listening to Weatherman and Pablo when Bitcoin was at 30K back in the summer. Hey, I mean, you just got to accept that some people are going to be wrong. Yeah, Bitcoin or Crypto Weatherman and Pablo were wrong. I was right, calling for the bottom at 30K. And they were saying more like the 20s or teens. It's just, you know, and there's been times that I've been wrong. It's you've got to find people you trust and people who have been reliable. And I hope that that's me. I think it has been. So you could throw it on the screen instead of price charts. Yeah, maybe one day. CVO thinks 500x for Fractal. Oh my goodness. Okay. Do you think Crow can be BNB price in 5 years? No, not that high. It'll go higher, but where do I buy Santa Pancake Swap from Tron prediction? Oh man, maybe rise with the crypto market, which I think has another 3 or 4x in it, so something like that. Meta Hero, I'm not too excited about the fact that it didn't pump like everything else. I think it's going to be fine though. Prediction on Uniswap, maybe $100. Xcur, that's another 10x. Wonderland staking, is that one of those that you get like 50,000% rewards? I mean, if you're going to get 50,000%, sure, go for it. One thing that I'd be very careful about is I'd be checking the Wonderland price like crazy. And if you see that price tank, something's going to even out, you know? Will you want to take everything out profits at the end of bull run or withdraw slowly? I'd DCA my way out. What are you doing with the Santa and BUSD to get passive income? You hold Santa and you get airdropped BUSD. Okay, you can unlock ADA anytime. That would be, then I think it's totally worth it. Coinbase and what other exchange? I'm not sure what you're talking about. But I like Voyager. I like KuCoin. I just got KuCoin recently. So thank you, Nicholas Baxter. Oh, wait. Thank you, Jerry Texas, I mean. So, Coinbase is good for the course. When you have time, please check Klima DAO. Thank you, Jordan. 34K APY. Okay. Buy SHIB or no? I'd say no right now. Phantom, $10 to $15. I see Bollinger Band squeeze, one-day chart for Bitcoin. What could that lead to? In my opinion, it's going to lead to a pump. So coins haven't dumped. My portfolio is up 15%. Yeah. Somebody criticized me also for saying to be all in by the end of October. And the thing that I know about all of you is that very few of you actually have Bitcoin. And so if you don't have Bitcoin, that was fantastic advice. You're welcome. Anyway, I know I was a little snarky there, but let's see. What determines a profitable NFT? There's so many to choose from. Oh, man. I'm not into NFTs all that much. I own 2 NFTs. Ooh, a Krispy Kreme. So, I'm not the man for the job to answer that question. Forgive me, I have sinned when all in on SHIB and am making a killing. Good for you, man. That's great. What happened to that coin yesterday when you seen that big game with 6K? That big game with 6K. What do you... Oh, the VXV. It was a glitch or something. I looked back later, and it was like exactly the amount that I thought it was. Smoke Sun, I don't think there's any correlation or an inverse correlation between mana and SHIB. I don't see why that would be the case. Should I be buying Shiba? No. I have 11 ETH, 30 Litecoin, and various. Only have 2 Solana 5Gs left to buy Solana, Mana, FTM, or anything else. I wouldn't say Solana right now. Mana, yes. FTM, yes. So LSS is recovering. Any prediction? I'm not paying attention all that much to LSS. Regarding your latest video, will DOT target price be December instead of January? No, I was talking about Solana in that video. So I think January for DOT. Should I buy AMP or Crow? AMP. If you convert a coin from another within an exchange, is that considered capital gains? Yes. Solana price prediction when it drops, maybe $100, maybe even lower than $100. Evergrow coin, apparently that's the same concept as Santa coin. Santa has a catchy name, you know, Christmas is coming, so maybe that'll be more interesting. And Evergrow coin, last I heard, has like a $900 million market cap, whereas Santa has a $25 million market cap. So more potential with Santa. Would you hold DOT long term or sell before the bear market? I would sell. Are you looking for a specific spot to get more Santa? I tripled my bag today. Wow. I'm wondering, maybe below this level right here, the 0.00, et cetera, 5 right there. So vet versus SHIB for best return. I'd stay safe with vet. Am I eating the M&Ms I got from Walmart? No, I'm eating a donut. My youngest son brought me a donut. XCM. I don't know anything about XCM or Illuvium. Sorry. DOT or XLM. Right now, I'd say XLM. VThor, bullish. I like VChain. I like VThor. Hollow or AMP? Hollow. Coinbase and what other exchange? I answered that already. Voyager, KuCoin. All right, you're welcome, Smoke Sun. Are you selling off your FTM or HBAR at the end? I don't own any FTM. I'm not selling my HBAR, but I own not much HBAR, so I'm just gonna hold on to it. About 800 worth. Litecoin, what do you see the price hitting for Litecoin? $1,500. Bullish on ZIL and price prediction. I am bullish on ZIL, $1, $1.50. Is it worth getting a helium miner? I believe so another day. Emilio, what's up? I am still holding Santa. We talked a lot about Santa during this live stream. I'm looking to put more money into it. Matic and Ocean. Matic, $8. Ocean, I don't have a prediction. VChain, 50 cents, but maybe higher than that. Bagir, I acknowledge the existence of your comment. Would you suggest not paying taxes? Because I hate taxes. Someone from Texas hates taxes? I would suggest paying your taxes, even though I hate them as well, especially property taxes. Will you have the video about crypto taxes out before the end of tax season? I think I'm going to make it this month. So AVAX predictions, $200 to $300. Santa 25K holders, estimated date for 100K. No idea. So what alts would you invest in? High risk, high reward, 5K. Litecoin. I'm not a fan of this question. But Litecoin, Zilliqa, Telcoin. Thanks for all your videos. Learning a lot. Excited for the course. Thank you, Kayla. When prediction for AMP and when's it going to pump up? January, 50 cents. Can you make all the money you make USDT once you sell and put it on external wallets so you don't pay taxes? Take all the money. No, if you're on a place like Coinbase, if you've done KYC, you're going to pay taxes on that. If you haven't done KYC like KuCoin, then you could potentially skip out on that. Not financial advice. Cole Sawyer, opinions on Trader Joe. I have not looked into Trader Joe. What's going on today? BEP20 BSC is not available for withdrawal on all exchanges. I have not heard about that. Hate taxes here in Texas. That's funny. Litecoin feels and seems hopeless. Your words, not mine. I'm tired of having to defend Litecoin. No, and I don't like Litecoin as a cryptocurrency all that much. But what's coming, I'm pumped. So Cesar, hello, Farm. I don't have a prediction for Farm. Ordered a miner, but it won't arrive until the end of February. Man, I hope in the bear market that'll go quicker. So let's see. Can I send XLM to Trust Wallet and swap for Santa? I don't know. I really don't know. When do you think Telcoin will go off? Often. But I think it'll peak in January. VLX, I don't know anything about VLX. Matic, $8. Ocean, no prediction. Just joined, so don't know if you answered this, but do you have a higher price prediction for your vet? I mean, I've been saying 50 cents. It seems to me like it'll go higher than that. How much fiat do you need to get into buying and selling real estate? I mean, according to some people's videos, like zero, but I don't know. You need a down payment, but you could do, I used to be a real estate agent. I used to be a mortgage agent. You could do an FHA loan or something like that, 3%. There's some banks that do in-house financing that'll do even lower than 3%, and you don't have to pay the FHA fees. So can you send from Coinbase to Kucoin and do the external wallet? And when the IRS comes, you say you lose the external. Lucci, when you transfer out of Coinbase, they record how much you gained on that cryptocurrency. If you gain after that, then that's not going to be recorded. So why do you think it's good to hold Bitcoin even if you own very little of it? The amount of Bitcoin that you own doesn't make a difference. If you own a little bit or a lot, I just think you should hold it. But I'm assuming that you own other cryptocurrencies. If you only own 0.03 Bitcoin or whatever it is, then fine. Yeah, go ahead, sell it. Yeah. But thank you, Emilio. Just got on live. I didn't hear you talk about Santa. 24-hour volume is at an all-time high, so I still think we could go up with all the buying pressure. I'm with you, man. Yeah. When I hear Litecoin, I automatically think about Pepsi. What? Okay. I can afford to hold HBAR long term. What's your opinion? Sell some or hold? It just depends. I mean, again, I really own I own less than $1,000 of HBAR. I have no concern about holding it long term. I plan on it. If you own a lot of HBAR, then yeah, sell some. So I bought Litecoin a few only until end of bull market. Yeah. David, just want to say you're honest and the best, mate. Thank you so much. Finally found somebody normal in this community. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna become a normal cryptocurrency YouTuber right now. Okay. All right. That's enough of that. Talk about Litecoin. Crypto Burb is sharing the same prediction as you. 2,000 plus Litecoin. Guys, there are people on Twitter. They're all over Twitter. People who know what the hell they're talking about, and they are unbelievably bullish about Litecoin. It's in the charts. Look at the Litecoin Bitcoin chart on TradingView, and you will see the thing that I am so excited about with Litecoin. Do you plan on hold HBAR in the bear market? Yes, but I don't have a ton. Is it smart to spread 2K into Telcoin, AMP, and maybe Santa? I know the risk. Yeah. I think that's fine. Yeah. Have you heard of Lynx.Helium Miner? I have not heard of Lynx.Helium Miner. No. Buy price prediction. I don't know what buy is. Prediction for EGLD. I don't have one, but bullish. Yeah. Rohan been talking a lot about Santa. I'm looking to double or triple down. So can you send USDC to other crypto apps? I believe you can. Yes. Price prediction for Doge, that's pretty difficult. I'm about 50-50 about whether it's going to cross its all-time high. I think if it does, yeah, $1. If not, we'll see. Any XLM or XRP prediction, $2 to $3 for XLM, $8 to $10 for XRP. Order Lynx.Helium Miner in September. They have issued a delay in production. Should still come early January. Excellent. What's the deal with Bitcoin SV? I haven't paid attention to all the Bitcoin SV. All I know is that, there's some 51% control with miners that could corrupt it, but I don't think they're going to. So you're welcome, Lucci. When will it no longer be safe to sell and buy Bitcoin? I think after the next bull run, 2025, you are very much not going to want to sell your Bitcoin. But buy Bitcoin if you can buy Bitcoin at that time. Yeah. How do I buy Santa Coin? Pancake Swap. I'm holding 6,000 XLM. Should I convert some to AMP? Yeah, a little bit. How do you think the job shortage, supply chain issues will affect crypto? How will they? I mean, I wasn't saying how will they. I was saying will they? Will they affect crypto? I mean, we have a few months left in this run, and then it's over. I don't know how much it's going to affect over the next few months. So what exchanges do I use? I have 11, maybe more than that, different platforms. I really like Voyager. If you want to use, my reward code for Voyager, ALE749. ALE749. Get $25 of free Bitcoin. You skip the waiting list. I just got onto KuCoin and I like it a lot. So there's KuCoin, there's Voyager. Crypto.coms are good. Are you selling ETH in January? What's your prediction in January? 15,000. And the more I think about it, the more I'm going to sell my ETH. It depends on ETH 2.0 though. If ETH 2.0 feels near, I'm just going to hold on to my ETH because it could go much higher after ETH 2.0 launches, even in the bear market. $2 to $3 for XRP, XLM. I mean, if I converted a crypto on Coinbase, do I have to add that to my taxes? Yep. They'll report it to taxes. Has BitBoy expressed any interest in looking at Santa Coin? Not that I've heard of. I don't pay attention to BitBoy at all. I think he's a tool. So does the 1 year hold thing for taxes apply to coins you just bought, or is it the profits gained? It's the profits. I have ETH from 2017, 2018. It just went up to 4K. Do I pay on that or no, since I already had it? You're going to have to pay, but you're not going to have to pay as much. So nobody normal in this day and age. Yeah. How do I buy Santa Coin if I live in New York? Oh man. Johanna, do you have access to Trust Wallet? Can you get Trust Wallet? If so, then yes. If not, then I have no idea how you can buy it. So would you buy VeChain in bear market? Oh yeah. I think VeChain is going to dump pretty hard after it peaks. And the more that it dumps, the more excited I'll be about buying it. Because it's very important. I want at least a 20x on any coin that I buy in the bear market. So VeChain, if it were to drop 95%, I would think that it would at least pass its all-time high from this cycle. So if that's the case, which I think it will be, then I am buying a lot of VeChain. Do you like Thor, Rune? Any predictions? Rune has been super bullish lately. I don't have any predictions for it. I don't own any. I mean, they need to stop getting hacked. I mean, all right, Litecoin has never been hacked. So, Andrea, thank you. I'm excited about putting it out. Yeah, have patience with Santa. Yep. Johanna will never get nothing on City. New mayor pro-crypto. Yeah, the new mayor is pro-crypto, but he's not getting inaugurated until really after this bull run is over. So, yes, Nicholas Baxter, thank you. You said you're not worried about Bitcoin. When will you be worried? You know, even if next week we get to the end of next week and Bitcoin hasn't pumped, but it's just kind of stagnant in the lower 60s, maybe I don't think I'd be worried. The week after, if it still hasn't pumped, I would be worried. But at the same time, this is a great question. I wouldn't be worried about it crashing. I would be worried about the timing. Like, I really, really want this to be over so I can sleep at night and not check my phone when I wake up in the middle of the night, which is a really bad habit of mine, and I'm sure I'm not alone with that. And so I really, the only worry is about my sleep schedule, because if we're still stagnant in the third week of November, in my opinion, that means that we will have an extended cycle, which I don't want in its extended cycle. I want to peak, and then I want to sleep, and then I want to buy in the bear market. So miner rise in February. If it's a bear market, will HNT be worthless? Oh yeah, it will, but it'd still be worth mining it. So do you think HBAR and DAG are long-term holds? HBAR, yes. DAG, I don't know enough. If we have just under 10K in crypto, should we even hold anything? I'd be fine if I were you, just selling it all at the end. Use your code. I haven't gotten any Bitcoin, even though I bought and traded more than 125. Why? I think it takes time. That's the only thing I know for sure. People have told me it takes some time, Lucci. So is there any worry when things go parabolic and everyone tries to sell the exchange, it will go down like they notoriously do? Yes, that's going to happen. So how do you combat that? You don't get greedy. You take profits often. I mean, look at Shiba Inu on what day was that? Was it earlier this week or was it last week when it got up to 0.000088? Like Voyager, I had it on Voyager. I sold a third of it, and I was fortunate to do that because Voyager was struggling, but Coinbase was just down. But you know, I sold the day before at a lower price. And so that's how you've got to do this. You've got to take profits often and not wait for the peak. So got 74 cents worth of, or 0.74 worth of Bitcoin. Would like to sell high and buy low? I would like to get at least one Bitcoin. Take your chances. you know, I'm being very conservative when I say I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I understand that. The chances are, if I were to sell all my Bitcoin at the end of this run and buy back in the bear market, I would be successful at that. It's just something I don't want to play around with. But you don't have to follow my lead on that, guys, because like I have tons of other cryptos that I will be selling. I'll be selling all of those, and so I'm comfortable holding my Bitcoin. What do you think of the trading bots on Kucoin? I haven't used them yet. Considering dropping a bag on big cryptos that have been around for a bit longer, like Litecoin, Neo, Uniswap, XLM, and XRP. That might be, Emilio, that might be the move of the century, because I am wondering a lot about these ones that just they've been around, they're legacy, more like legacy coins. And so they've been a little bit more slow movers as people have been like, you know, I want my Quant, I want my Solana. And so maybe they'll have their day at the end of this run, you know? If you're at an overall loss, do you have to pay taxes? Nope. Silly question, but KuCoin can be used in the US. Yes, you just can't do KYC. So you can't give them your driver's license, and this is totally allowed. You can't give them anything like that, and so there's certain limitations on it. Like if you wanted to do leverage, you couldn't do more than 5% leverage. So I'm staking Tezos. You bullish? Yep. No price predictions though. Pause stream was behind. Okay. Which is the best to buy in the bear market? I know you like Solana so far. Quant. And again, I'm telling you, Shiba Inu and Doge. And the reason why I'm saying Doge is just because it's very predictable. All right. Here's a bear market preview. Bear market course preview. I want predictability. I want a cryptocurrency that's just going to flatline, but also one that's going to lose a ton of its value. Okay, so here's Doge. You know, I know it's hard to see because of all the price action from this past year. Is there any way? No. But, all right, it peaked at 1.7 cents on January 2nd or something like that, January 4th, sometime around then. And then it was, you know, 2 100ths of a cent, 3 100ths of a cent, got up to 5 100ths of a cent, and then back down to 2 in 2018, 1 100, 3 100. This is fantastic to me, because what I can do with Doge is just wait. I'm going to do this more likely with Shiba Inu. I think Shiba Inu is just going to flatline, and I'll buy it like in November of 2024. But Doge, I'm thinking more like early 2024, because the cat's out of the bag with Doge. Doge is on a new level as a cryptocurrency. So that's why I am buying a lot of Doge. I mean, I love the flat line. That's what I want. I don't want, let's compare this to, I mean, even Litecoin, which I will be buying in the bear market as well, but the strategy is different. Litecoin, I see. I mean, it's just like, it's bumpy. I don't want bumpy. I'm fine with bumpy for like shorter term trades, but I want flat. And Doge and Shiba Inu will be flat. So giving away too much awesome information here. Let's see. The fact that USDT has more green candles than Quant so far this week makes me rethink my life again. Yeah, takes a little while to go through. Matic one indent thoughts, please. Nothing about one indent. Don't know enough. Matic, I think, is going to $8. Paid all my bills, just letting the extra wait till 800K. Feel like Spirit Bomb. Spurt Bomb. I don't know. Okay. I'm looking at 13th before it pumps. Next week it might go down and might be bought below 60K. I think any dip below 60K is going to be bought up quickly. Enrique. Yeah, I know. I mean, next week's not going to be a fun week if you're right. I think just people are going to be like, bro, dude, you were wrong. And I mean, that started to happen in September 7th. Bitcoin was at $53,000 and then it dumped. So that first week, there were some people being like, dude, you said this month was going to be flat, and look at what's going on this month. I missed out on awesome gains because of you. Anyway, could you give us an example of an exit strategy? Would stablecoins be a good option to place profits? The answer to your second question question is yes, stable coins will be a good place to put profits. You can stake those stable coins. An example of an exit strategy. Okay, Solana. Let's look at Solana here. And okay, so I bought a ton of Solana earlier in this year. In July 20th, I doubled down because I was like, all right, this is the bottom. So $23 or so. And then it started pumping. I sold at $73. This first little hump right here, I sold. And then I was like, okay, is that, is it going to consolidate for a while? It didn't consolidate. So I sold again, I think around here, like $147. And then I sold a little bit more close to the top here. And then I just held. I've held since then. And I think that's kind of what you've got to do. I mean, do I regret selling at $73? Honestly, no, not at all. I don't at all. That was a 3.5x from when I purchased it. I'm happy with that. I don't regret selling at 147. It's 5x, 6x, 7x, whatever it is, 7x. Just be content with not getting, like, you put $1,000 in a coin 10x's, you're not going to be able to time it in such a way that you turn that 1,000 into 10,000. That's just not reality. So anyway, when you see Litecoin popping off, when Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, I believe Litecoin's going to pop off like crazy. Altcoins that you think are going to do 10x. Look at the bottom of the top 100. Several of those, and several of the lowest cap coins on Coinbase. When should I buy Doge or Shiba? Yeah, answered that. So XLM $2 to $3. I remember you saying after this bull run that you will wait a year to buy anything again. Is that still your plan? For long-term holding, that's still my plan. But I'm going to make some short-term moves because there's certain things that I think will play out. So, have you heard the rumor SHIB is trying to add utility? Yeah. Some people have told me that they've added utility. I just I'm not sure. Are you planning to be here and make videos in the bear market? Yeah, definitely. When will you drop the video on who's doing your crypto taxes? Later this month. Why everybody talking about November 8th? I haven't heard anyone talking about November 8th. No idea. Can't buy Shiba on Wealth Simple. I've never heard of Wealth Simple. Emilio, thank you so much. Have a great weekend. First time watching and won't be the last. Thank you, Steven. Can anyone explain me? Oh yeah, November 8th, no idea. When profit hits my initial investment, I will take it, then let the rest ride. That's a good strategy too, hopefully. Do you by any chance think the early days of this week will start the bullish momentum and show us really how big this bull run will be? It's difficult to predict. Yeah, be patient. Just be patient. On-chain analytics are super bullish right now. Super bullish. And we will spend this time below the all-time high accumulating, because once we cross that all-time high, I'm telling you, it is off to the races. This happens often. Like, remember in October when we crossed that all-time high, I was like, dude, there's something not right about this. And we got rejected. So, yeah, be content with not being greedy. You're welcome, Brad. I use BlockFi, only stable I can sell into is DAI. Do you think that's okay? Yeah, that's fine. I'm surprised that you can't do on BlockFi GUSD or something like that. So how much do you think Litecoin will go to once Bitcoin hits all-time high? Well, I think Litecoin will peak after Bitcoin, but I think Litecoin is peaking at $1,500 this cycle. Do you pay taxes if you don't take money out and you just reinvest the profit in the bear market? Reinvest all the profit. How do you not? I'm not understanding the question, Lucci. How do you not take money out but reinvest all the profits? All right, Bagir, biggest flex is I watched World War Bitcoin before the TikTok chat was semi-quiet. Boom, shakalaka. Do you pull money out of long-term holding or do you keep it long-term holding? Confused. You keep it in long-term holding. AVAX thoughts, I think it's going to $200 to $300 this cycle. Thoughts on AMP, 50 cents. Jose, I hope I'm wrong on all my predictions. I hope that CVO Crypto's predictions are all true, because if so, then even better. Took profits from Crow to 2.5x. What should I do? All right, let me think, Jorans. So I'm assuming that's on crypto.com. You know, here's one that nobody ever talks about, but I could see it doing well. Where is it? I'm looking for Maker. I have some Maker on crypto.com. Is that Maker? That's Mana. My eyes, my old, soon-to-be 40-year-old eyes can't see the screen very well. And I know some of you are rolling your eyes. There's Maker. So there's only 1 million Maker in existence, 1,005,972. That's all the Maker that will ever exist. And so, yeah, it's $2,912, but it could do another thing like this at the end. You see this right here? Got up to $6,000. So who knows? You know, maybe we'll go to $20,000. I could see Maker going to $20,000. Do you think FCL will hit 60? I don't know what FCL's price is right now. I think it's around $4, right? If so, then yes. I don't know why I answered that question. Feel like an OG TikTok follower too. Excellent. I'm new to crypto. My friend just talked me into this week. What should be my first moves? Kyler, welcome. Here's my biggest concern right now is we're so late in the cycle, and I think that things are going to go crazy. That you're probably, even though you're going to convince yourself that you're not going to make any rookie mistakes, that you will make rookie mistakes. And so what I would do if I were you is I would buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. And when you see prices shoot up higher, be aggressive in taking profits, and then get ready. I would recommend using some of those profits to buy my bear market course that's coming out in a few weeks. And I will guide you the rest of the way. You can 20x that before now in 2025, and maybe even higher than that. So, oh, okay, AZV-TV. There we go. Not in my state for BlockFi only DAI. Okay. Have you looked into Sandbox? A little bit. I know that it's not doing well over the last couple of days. I'm bullish on Sandbox. Any of those cryptocurrencies like Sandbox, Mana, Engine, very bullish. Crow thoughts, I've been saying 50 cents. It's apparent to me that we're not going to 50 cents, that we're going higher. And XYO, I think 20 cents. So like you sell all the coins for USDT and then rebuy when it drops. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, and just leave it on the exchange, get some returns on it. You know, there's places you get 9%, 12%. There's some that you can get 20%. On PancakeSwap, there's a 35% stablecoin pair. I don't think it's going to stay like that in the bear market, though, because a lot of people will be in stable coins, and so the rates will drop. So, all right, yeah, Amir, yes, thank you. Trias predictions higher. I don't have one though, and I don't have a prediction for Quant. All right, I'm about done for today. I'm gonna go from Orlando Lopez Valdez's question up, and won't answer any other questions after that. So, yeah, Trias. Let's see if we can do this without drawing lines. Ethereum Classic, like $300. So I did answer that question. $600 for Solana. Okay, Sean. Sounds good. All right. Yeah, I can't do it without showing some lines, but picture some half circles here. Half circles starting here, going here. That's not easy to picture, and now I just feel like there's a new half circle going from here to here, and we're just rising, and we're going to continue to rise higher than this all-time high. Yeah, maybe 3 figures, maybe higher, maybe even much higher than 3 figures. Market cap, $33 million market. Oh my goodness, I did not realize that its market cap was that small. Wow. Oh yeah, I knew that. 1.6 million Trias. So this thing could go wild. How much money will my course be? $27. What altcoins do you think will 5 to 10x? This one. Telcoin. Maker will perform better than Ethereum. I believe so. Yeah, but I mean, not in market cap. It'll increase in market cap, but yeah, I could see Maker. I mean, I think Ethereum has like a little bit more than a 3x left in it. So a lot of cryptos will outperform Ethereum. If CVO is right, I'll be screaming like Dave Chappelle. Not gonna swear on the live stream, but I got you. Yep. Thought on Audius. Sorry, you've been waiting the longest on Keat, and I've looked at it. I've looked at the website. I have not looked at the cryptocurrency. Seems legit, fantastic, wonderful. That's all good. I don't have any predictions for you. So thank you all for your time. All right. Let me take, all right. I'll go on. HBAR $2. Nicholas Baxter. If I can buy Shiba Orange Trust Wallet on Trust Wallet, you can't buy Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. Yeah, you can't do that. So, all right. Thank you all. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I will probably not go live tomorrow. I usually don't on weekends. If I do, I'll go live on TikTok. And yes, link to $100. And otherwise, yeah, I'll see you on Monday. Peace out.